Hi viewers, hope everybody is doing well. So today's recipe is palak paneer. Here I already heat the water in a saucepan and wash the palak 2-3 times thoroughly. Now I am gonna put it on the hot water. Let it wait for 2 minutes. Then I will drain it and make a paste on it from it. You can see it's already done. I'm gonna strain it. In the meantime, other side I already heat the pan and I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of oil and half teaspoon of cumin seeds and 1 dry chili. I'll saute first. Now it's time to add that 2 inches of ginger and 3 to 4 cubes garlic powder. I make it small cubes. And here I took 1 onion small chopped. I'll saute it about 2 to 3 minutes. Now I'm gonna add 1.5 tomato chopped. I'll saute with it as well. Now it's done. I'm gonna make a paste out of it. Now I'm gonna cut 2 pound of paneer, small cubed. And I'm gonna marinate it with salt, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon Kashmir chili powder. It will give the good color into it. And 1/4 teaspoon lemon juice into it. Now marinate well and keep it aside. In the meantime, the palak already been cold. I'm gonna mix it, make a paste out of it. Now you can see. And the spices, whatever I sorted, I'll make a paste out of it as well. Now heat the pan and add 2 tablespoons of oil. I'm adding little ghee. I'm adding little ghee into it. It will enhance the taste. And here I made the flame lower and adding dry spices. 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of chili powder, half teaspoon of Kashmir chili powder, and 2 teaspoon of coriander powder. This will increase the color of the recipe. Now it's time to add that onion paste. Then add the palak paste. Mix it well. Now let's cover the pan and let it cook for few minutes. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of salt into it. And here I took the cooking cream, half cup of cooking cream. Let's mix it well. Now you can see the color came out very nice. And it gives a very good taste into it. Now I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder and let it cook. Now it's time to add the marinated paneer into it. Mix it well, and it will be ready after 3 minutes. It will not take much time. I'm gonna cover it. The flame will be like a medium flame. So you can see the oil is already started losing out. I'm gonna cover it for few more minutes. It will be ready soon, and it is good with rice and roti as well. It's very yummy and healthy as well. Now you can see it is ready to serve. You should give a try. If you like my recipe, please put a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Thank you.